Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So today's date is 6th of July 2024, and as usual I'm going to show you today's Hamster Kombat daily cipher. So guys, let's start right away. As usual, click on your daily cipher, which is in between daily reward and daily combo. And our first letter to cipher for today is F, which is dot dot dash dot 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 dash dot. And our second letter for today is I, which is dot dot double dot. And our third letter is A, which is dot dash. And our last letter for today is T, which is only dash. That's it guys. Click on take prize to claim your 1 million Hamster Kombat reward. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit on the bell icon for notification. Thank you guys. See you tomorrow.